Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
So look at this practice question 1. It says classify the following curves as open or closed. So look at the first one. I hope you are very quick to say that this is open curve. Why? Because here the two endpoints, they are not meeting each other. In the second one, this is a closed curve. Why? Because we don't see any open end. The third one is open. The fourth one is closed. And the last fifth one is also a closed curve. Is that right? Moving to the next question. Here we need to draw a rough diagram to illustrate the following: open curve and closed curve. So you can draw any image, the answer may vary. So if you want to try, you can just doodle in your paper. It's just a curve. So here this is a curve for me. I have drawn this as the curve for the first image, and we need to draw a closed curve. So okay, so this is my closed curve. So you can also draw any example is correct, because the answer, the doodling can differ, right? Now moving ahead to the next question. They are asking you to draw any polygon and shade its interior. So we know that polygon is a figure which is closed and it is made up of line segments. So let me just draw a polygon. I'm really sorry for my drawing that I'm not using straight lines. Please make sure that you use scale and pencil to draw straight lines. Okay, so say this is a polygon. Okay, let me just try another one. This is not much clear. Okay, I'm trying another one. I'm just trying to make a figure which is not simple, or else it is okay to draw a square for a polygon. Okay, so see, this is a kind of a polygon that I've tried to draw. Now if I'm supposed to shade its interior part, so what part am I going to shade? It's everything that comes inside this particular shape. Everything that is inside this closed figure, this is the interior part of this polygon. Okay, now coming to the next question. Consider the following figure and answer the question. Is this a curve? Yes, the answer is this is a curve. And so I'll just write it here. Yes. And is this a closed curve? Answer is again yes, this is a closed curve. We don't see any ends open. Okay, moving ahead. In the fifth question, it says illustrate if possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. So the first one we need to draw is a closed curve that is not a polygon. So make sure that you draw a curve which is not a polygon, means it shouldn't have a it shouldn't be only made up of line segments. So I'll just draw a figure here. Okay, so this is my image. This is a closed image. This is a curve, and as I can clearly see that this part is a curved part, so it is not a polygon. So I have fulfilled the condition from part A. Now let's see the second one. An open curve made up entirely of line segments. Made up entirely of line segments, but needs to be open. So suppose what I'm drawing, just imagine that they are very much straight lines. So what I've just drawn is open curve which is made up of only line segments. We don't have any curve in this, right? We don't have any free flowing line like this anywhere in this image. So it is open curve which is made up entirely of line segments. Now the last one is a polygon with two sides. How can I draw this? Is it possible? If I put two lines like this, because it needs to be straight lines, and I know that a polygon must be closed. I cannot close an image with two lines. If possible, I can just overlap them together. But this is not a polygon again, right? So it is not even possible to draw a polygon with two sides. I hope this is clear to you. And moving ahead,